5792 miles. For over 15 years, MIGLIO 5792 has bridged Italian artistry and Chinese craftsmanship. Wow, this partnership blends design with precision, modern tradition and innovation through collaboration and a commitment to excellence. MIGLIO 5792 builds a legacy, delivering the best of both worlds to customers globally. Though miles apart, our design, R&D, quality, and craftsmanship align with Milan. MIGLIO 5792 embodies the fusion of Italian design and Chinese manufacturing, reflecting a shared pursuit of excellence. MIGLIO 5792 symbolizes the fusion of Italian design and Chinese craftsmanship, bridging the distance between cultures in pursuit of excellence. 3 cups of coffee mark the start of his day, and 72 hours have passed since the last breakthrough. Yet waiting is part of the creative process. In countless sleepless nights, he put his heart into every detail. When the supply chain could not meet raw quality demands, MIGLIO 5792 took the lead and opened its own factory. In the 50,000 square meter workshop, 365 days of craftsmanship ensure perfection in every piece, with 7 product lines and 49 variations. Each creation blends Italian art and Chinese ingenuity, delivering in within 40 days to enrich every space. 13 types of wood reflect MIGLIO 5792's respect for nature. With 216 weekly emails, the designer and factory stay in sync. Each piece is a collaboration spanning 5792 miles. 8 hours separate China and Milan, but great design and craftsmanship know no time zone. They transcend time and space, always reaching the heart. In this story, every number carries meaning and every detail tells a story. 5792 miles is not just a distance, it's both our beginning and our future.